Hello guys, back with a 10-minute tutorial. Okay, this is we open Capcut and we will make tutorial about how to make text to speech on Capcut mobile. Okay, mobile. Okay, this is my Capcut mobile. Okay, new project. First photos. Okay, I export photos. This add. This for example. Okay, and then type text in here, add the text. Okay, I will explain. We'll make the text will using text to speak AI voice. Okay, I will type here. This is rare animal. It's called biawak or monitor lizard. Okay, done. And then after that I'm using this text to speech and I will select English in here and I will select teacher Lauren here. Okay,
this is rare animal, it's called biawak or monitor lizard.
That's good. Okay, after that for remove this text because the audio automatic save. Remove this text. Okay guys, just remove. Okay, just auto or tap X cross X here. Okay, look at here again.
This is rare animal, it's called biawak or monitor lizard.
Save. Okay, done.
This is rare animal, it's called biawak or monitor lizard.
That's good. Just like that guys, how to make text to speech